Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Here's your daily technical analysis of Brent crude oil and spot gold. I'll start with ICE Brent crude oil futures. A combined key reversal down and bearish harami yesterday. What was interesting about yesterday's action was twofold. Firstly, the day's range was mainly encapsulated by the congestion area between 115.70 and 120 even, dating from 2012, 2013 and 2017, and also having the 50% Fibonacci line for March within it at 118.01. The second interesting point was how the high managed to reach up and almost touch the old target X3 at 120.41 before dropping down right away. Now, target X3 was the previously reached primary target for the smaller March to April descending triangle. With all this, the market still managed to close within the same 115.70 to 120 even congestion area. We nevertheless still have at risk some of the targets for the two recent descending triangle patterns formed since March. Potential targets in the upside for these descending triangles, as well as the double stroke triple bottoms formed over the same period, are: for the larger March to April descending triangle, a potential primary target X1 in the 132.10 area, for harder to get secondary target X2 in the 147.30 area, and for the smaller March to April descending triangle, the harder to get secondary target X4 in the 129.20 area. At the same time, for the double stroke triple bottom pattern, there's a potential target X5 in the 126.5 area. I also have in the back of my mind the clear weekly key reversal down made 2 weeks ago. We had seen a follow-on lower from that last week, but losses have all evaporated this week. Now, so far today, well, not much. A dip down out of the 115.70 to 120 even congestion area, but the market swiftly moved back within it and looks like an indecisive doji cross right now. Spot gold. There's an issue with yesterday's action. You see, on the surface, it is a lower but still indecisive spinning top, second in a row. Yet it is also a key reversal down, an unusual pattern to have right now. Overhead, we still have the flatlining long moving average, currently 1847, whilst below we have the congestion at 1807, as well as the declining middle time, currently 1800 of the breached early March to late April bearish shift pitchfork. Now, below the middle time, we have some congestion at 1789, plus the May low at 1787, with an interesting congestion zone between 1779 to 1784. One other thing, I've been tempted to draw a fresh bearish mid-April to mid-June bearish shift pitchfork. The market is currently in between the upper time above at 1838 and the middle time below at 1762. Now, so far today, a decline towards the congestion at 1807, but as yet not breaching it or really touching it. I can see the beginnings of an argument for the December 21 today action being a possible really big head and shoulders top pattern. I think I'll develop on that. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives the essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyrights Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.